Hey Google, turn on shop light. Alright, welcome back everybody. I got a lot to do today. Last thing to do on the dad's tractor, which I'm probably going to do first, is replace the belt. Got the new one here. I got to work on the patio, the wood pile. I got lots to do, so I think I'm going to start with the tractor. I at least got to, I don't know if you could see out there, I got to turn the truck around. The tractor's on the trailer right now, so I got to turn the truck around, hook it up to the trailer, pull the trailer forward so I can get that fence open so I don't have to walk back and forth all the way around. But let's get to work. Now at least I got it in the carport to work on. Might make it a little bit easier, but here we go. Alright, so the bad news is believe it or not, as many of these tractors as I've worked on, I've never replaced a belt on one before. Thankfully though, there's a diagram on the far side of the deck. Get some light up in here. And it looks like the only thing I'll have to take off is right there. There's a bolt. It's got a little pin to kind of hold the belt from coming off the pulley, and I think I'll have to, well, I don't think I know. I'm going to have to take that bolt off. So, get some more lights going here. And we'll work on that. But it's like 30 degrees out right now. Doesn't make it easy. I'm not sure what size. Kind of finagle my arm in there. Oh, sorry guys, gonna be right in your way probably. Oh. I might have gotten lucky on the first try. Now let's see how tight that bolt is. kind of wish I had something more than this Walmart ratchet set, but I don't. Not out here, at least. Oh, not tight at all. Sweet. I just can't see anything. And kneeling on the rocks is not fun. Don't particularly want to pull that all the way out. There we go. We can work with that. And I'm not sure why this belt broke. I'm hoping it's not rubbing on something. Kind of unexpected, but it was a very old belt. Alright, let's see what we can do. Even though there's a diagram, this is for sure going to be a pain in the butt. I can almost guarantee it. Okay, so this guy's got to go around, all the way around that way. Kind of goes just like that. Let's go to the other side. Deck is currently down as far as it can go, too. Okay, so this guy has to go right around there. Are we going to be able to get that in there? Oh, that might be an issue. We might have to take these pulleys off. Tell me I can just run that in there. Nope, I'm gonna have to take that, at least loosen it so I can get it through there. Is the wrench gonna fit? Well, it fits, but it's a different size. Oh, perfect. What is that, a 13? I'm gonna need a 14. This guy, there's my 14. Oh yeah, that'll do. It's definitely a little cold this morning. Sorry guys, I'm probably in your way. Then this guy goes around here. We'll go get that other side on before we get too crazy about tightening anything. All right, let's go back around. Is that a better view for you guys? All right, what can we see here? So this guy has to go right up here. It should be simple enough. Sure it is, there that is. And then this guy comes up here. What's our issue? What's our issue? Oh, there's our issue. Just gonna see, God, did I get the wrong belt? I might have still, I don't know. Oh, we fell off over there. All right, please cooperate. Something ain't right here. I think they might have sold me the wrong belt. I think they probably did. Let's try pulling this guy off here. Come on, come on, come on. Down here. Yeah, there's no way that this belt is going to fit on this tractor. No way. So now, I guess we take it off, and I should have matched it up. I really should have before I even attempted this, but all right. Take it off. So here's the problem we're facing. Guys, move you around a little more. See what's happening here? Yeah, there's no way this belt's gonna fit. Don't ever trust the people at Lowe's. All right, I'm gonna save this job for another day. Kinda hate wasting my time, but I'll clean up the tools and move on to something else. So I got the table cleaned up. I moved some plants out here to get some natural light. These are just test subjects for now because it's still a little chilly out here. It's 61, but the room I took these out of, it was 71, so it shouldn't shock them too much. I can't believe we went and exchanged the belt at Lowe's and they gave us the wrong one again. Those people are just incompetent with stuff like that. So I've sent them a strongly worded email and I'll have to figure it out from there. But I'm going to continue cleaning up out here. Might put you guys on fast forward, I don't know. And I gotta stack some firewood. It's getting a little slim. This is our reserves. So I want to empty, I've got an 8-foot rack over there that I want to empty off and get moved here. So then I'll have an 8-foot and 2 4-foot racks. I'll show you real quick. That rack right there, it's almost empty. So it shouldn't be a problem, but we're going to work on that now and more of the patio. So I got this part done, but I don't know what I like better. Either here, some little walkways there, or doubling up the stacks. I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about it a little bit. I like having this kind of room. We'll see. Well, the extension cord's just temporary, but now we can have some light for the quail. Hopefully induce them to start laying, and some nice LED landscape lighting too. Let's check it out. Can't really see it right now, but we'll come back at night and take a look at it. Okay, everybody, I've gotten actually quite a lot done today, but I think I'm done for the day. I'm gonna go compile some of this footage together. I got a lot more to do, and I'm not sure. I'll probably record it, but I'm gonna go compile this footage together, and then I will decide if I want to add on to this tomorrow or not. If I don't, then thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.